Yes. So let's start with the instructions for um, for the explanation video, and I am currently in the video recording 5 folder, and I have switched to video game DB branch, and I have downloaded the required packages. So the first step would be um, to create the new form. Um, so I'll add the route first, which would be get video games to video games hash as new video games. Okay. So now that we have added the routes, I need to create a controller action for the class name. Video game dot render, and there needs to be an end. And so we've added this controller action route, and we need to add a link to create new list, right? So link to add new video game video games underscore add, and we want to make it a button. So for that, we'll use class btn and primary. Okay. So let's see if the page has been generated. I'll start the server using Rails. Excuse me. And okay, so let me start the server and we get this button, add video game, new video games, and okay, yeah. So now it's fine, and now we need to add add the attributes to this new create new page, and go to and use Bootstrap. Um, um, Bootstrap form with model at games URL would be video games head method we use is post true do yeah. And then we start writing the attributes, which is f dot text underscore field title number we need here, so number underscore field here, and the other would be text underscore field publisher. These are the attributes we want to add to the list, right? New video game. Yeah, and the final one would be genre, and we also want a submit action, right? Submit text f submit. Okay. So let's see what happens when we add. Okay. We have a title, year, publisher, genre, and we want to add post a route to the post, right? So it would be post video games video games hash. We need a new class called create as. Okay, so we already we don't need to add the add section here because we already have video games. So and now we need to add a controller action for this class create. Right. So create video game video game video game dot new params dot require video games that permit title, comma. So we permitted for attributes. So title, view, publisher, and genre. Okay, that's it. And if at game dot save, we also want to add a redirect path, redirect to video games underscore URL. Okay, and so we want to flash a message when if this action is successful. Success, we would new video game has been was added successfully, right? And we also want a else statement saying if a error occurs, right? Error equal to error. New video was not added to the list. Okay. Let's see what happens. So we let me add this 2010 publisher will be, let's say, X, Y, Z, genre is action, and it says that no route matches video games new. So there's an issue with the route. It says So let me there's a queue. Let's see. Um, Post video games to video games create. Right. So index video games, new video games. Let's see if this still shows some issue. Video underscore games. Last name. Post. We have in the create section. Okay, it still shows a routing error. Okay. Link to new video games pair. Okay, this is fine. Great. New video games pair. Video games pair. Method post. Okay. So routes match is in priority get root path. Video games path, new video games path here. Okay, let me see if the routes were routes, right? So if the routes were created successfully, video games, video underscore games, video games controller action will be video games. Yes, create. I think we have, that's fine. Okay, let's go back to this section and okay, let me add the destroy route as well. Delete video games destroy to hash destroy as video. Okay. New games ID games destroy video. And we want to add one more class here, which is destroy add games equal to video game not find params, because we want to add a delete button to all the lists of the video game. Video destroy, right? And we also want to add a flash a message when the list gets deleted. Video game was deleted. Okay, and it needs a redirect path, so we will give redirect to video games install URL. Okay, also we need to add a path here, which is 2D percentage equal to link to destroy STROY destroy video game underscore path, right, z, and method would be delete. Yeah, so this would be it. We've added the link in the index page, and we have video games as path post by this is okay, and we have a controller action for just delete, create a new, and we have routes added to the route file. And let me see what. Okay. 19 action. Okay, so the route issue seems resolved, and we have successfully added a new video game to this database, which is Temple Run. And let's add one more. It will be Candy Crush. Okay, year 2015. Publisher would be Yellow Rain. Okay, genre. Let me just put it action. Okay, so it only allows particular genres. So I need to write it proper. Now, okay. Now, see, now that I have added, it got added. Candy Cross 2015 and blah blah blah. So we want to we have two temple runs here, so we want to destroy one, let's say. So in the destroy it says video games dot 10. Okay, there's an issue it seems in the routes for the destroy section. Mm, controller destroy video game find params destroy video games underscore URL. I think I need to give it game here. Okay. I want to delete this. Video games dot 10. There's still some route match. No route matches. We delete video games ID video games destroy as video game, right? We have video game here. So in the destroy section, redirect to video game. Yeah. Let me just see if I can find issue here. Okay. Uh, um, so I see the issue. Here it needs to be video game path because in the route section we've given uh, as video game. I think it's solved now, but let's see if right and we want to delete this. Okay, it says now that the temple run was the video game was deleted successfully. So you can see here that we are able to um, delete the list any list of video game from the database, and we are also able to add any any video game to the database. It says that the video game was added successfully, and we can also destroy it. The video game was deleted successfully. So yes, I think the required tasks are completed. It says us to create a new form for video game, which we did, and make the text the create video game at the bottom that we did already, and we saw that the list gets created, and we were able to make a destroy action, and we were able to perform the destroy action. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.